Hola a todos. Felicidades. Happy holidays. I'm here at Techy inside of a Walmart off of 101 Congress Street, Lake Park, Florida. Zip code is 33403. And what I do here is I do repairs, reparo yo, teléfonos. If you guys need your phone fixed, it's right here. Look at that. Like this one, it was an iPhone 13. And if you guys need your iPad done, tus tabletas de iPad, aquí están. Y luego, your Apple Watches, your Apple Watches, you can get these fixed and done as well. Look at that one, it was really bad. Anyways, I'm right at the entrance, en la mera entrada de Walmart, and right here we got everything covered. If you guys need your Xboxes, your PlayStations, your Nintendo Switches, your computers, laptops, whatever it is, aquí estamos. We're here, and we're ready to help you guys. All right, happy holidays, and I'm waiting to see you guys here. Bye.